$290,383. Isn't that insane? Today, I will walk you through 10 different ways how you can use your hobby to actually make money from home while working in a 9-to-5. And if you've been struggling to figure out really how to monetize your passion and really create passive income streams to no longer trade your time for money, then this is your video. So how can you build a side hustle that hustles for you? That's the question. And the best way to demonstrate this power of multiple fully automated income streams is by walking you through just a really tangible example. Let's meet Kendra. Kendra loves working with basset hounds. I mean, who doesn't, right? So what's really interesting is a lot of her friends start to reach out to her about tips on leash training basset hounds because that's not an easy undertaking. And she's done a really great job with her super strong-willed basset hound named Ernie. That's why she decided, maybe it's time to just launch a business called Bark Avenue. In this video, we're going to talk about how Kendra generated multiple income streams from multiple sources, all sorted from lowest income to highest income. Blog. Kendra also started a blog 6 months ago. And in this blog, she uses it to really share common mistakes that dog owners make with leash training their basset hounds. And so by using really popular keywords she found on Answer the Public, she was able to really grow her traffic within the past 6 months. And because now she has over 1,000 visitors coming to her blog every day, she started adding some display ads to her site. And that generates revenue every time someone visits the site. Merchandise. In the era of dropshipping, it's never been easier to sell merchandise without physically having to store products in your living room. And since Kendra has some really raving fans, she decided to sell some Bark Avenue swag, such as leashes, t-shirts, and dog toys, all with like a sweet, cute basset hound on it. eBook. Kendra wrote an ebook on how to really teach your basset hound to stop barking at the mailman without using an electric collar. She published it on her website for $19.95. That's it. And so when Ernie wakes Kendra up every morning, she checks her phone and typically receives one Shopify email telling her that she sold one ebook while she was asleep. Book. Also, Kendra decided to just write a book and self-publish it on Amazon KDP. And every time she sells a book, she makes money from it, called royalties. By the way, if you want to publish a low-content book to get your toe into passive income waters, check out this video right here where I walk you through it step by step. Brand sponsorship. So the other day, a dog food company called Yummy comes across Kendra's YouTube videos and offers her to exclusively use Yummy food on her blog. So the deal that she got is that she gets $5,000 per quarter and 10% revenue share on each sale that she makes. Affiliate revenue. Kendra's clients are starting to ask her more and more about really specific leash recommendations for basset hounds. So that's why she signed up to become an Amazon affiliate. What that means is like every time someone clicks on her link and purchases something, she actually gets a commission out of that. And here's the best part about this. Every time someone even just clicks the link and maybe doesn't even purchase, the cookie is activated for 24 hours, meaning for whatever that person buys in the next 24 hours on Amazon, she's gonna get a revenue split. YouTube. Kendra loves to dog. So she decided to create some videos about leash training her basset hound just with her iPhone, and then she uploaded them on YouTube. And so now every time someone watches one of her really entertaining videos, she earns 25 cents per view. So over the course of the past 2 years, she's gotten millions of views and it earned her $50,000 in ad revenue just this year alone. Online course. Kendra realized that leash training is not the only challenge basset hound owners face. So also potty training seems to be a huge challenge, especially in the beginning. So this is why Kendra created this 5-step process to show how to potty train any basset hound in less than 2 weeks. So what she does is she just uploads these videos on Kajabi and sells it for $497. And so that just generates a revenue on repeat. Membership. Kendra's clients have so many questions all the time, but the problem is she can't really keep up with the demand. So that's why she decided to create the Bark Club, in which every dog owner and their furry friend can talk to Kendra in person once a month during a facilitated Q&A session. And this is money that comes in every single month. Okay, take a moment to let that all sink in. First of all, the most interesting question is, what is the overall math on this, right? So all in total, that's $290,383. So if someone tells you that it's not possible to make money around your hobby, think twice. This is just one example, but check out the Instagram of Ellie Goldenlife or The Doggist and you see that it's possible. Isn't that insane? So what are the key takeaways here? 1, you completely diversify your risk when you have multiple income streams. That's really what I want you to take away from this. So for instance, even if Yummy, the brand sponsor, decided to no longer fund Kendra, she's still going to make revenue. This is the ultimate way to financial freedom. You can't be just dependent on one income. Whether it's in your personal life or in your business, always make sure to diversify your risk. 2, do you see how much freaking opportunity there is in today's world to actually make a living with something that you truly care about? Instead of this being just basset hound leash training, you can build a business around like knitting, landscape photography, like fly rods. I mean, you name it. The sky is the limit. And do you also see how Kendra is actually helping other people who are struggling? Do you see how she's making a positive difference in her customers' lives? So why did I make the video for you? Because I know Kendra's story could be your story. And deep down, you know that too. All it really takes is some focus and hustling for the next 1 to 2 years to really set up all your systems that work for you and your financial freedom. And if you don't have time to add a side hustle to your already busy plate, make sure to check out this video right here. You really don't need to wait for that one idea to get started. You just need to really care about something and then provide value to an existing problem. And if you're struggling to find that one business idea, check out this video as well. Okay, so in the comments below, please let me know what you're really passionate about and how you're trying to build a side hustle around it.